Hello, I'm Archie Watts-Farmer, the CEO and co-founder of Carnot. For those that know us, it's fantastic to be back. For those that don't, I'd like to introduce you to our ceramic engine technology. We'll show you that by operating on this and producing only this, we'll solve the trillion-dollar problem of decarbonising the hard-to-abate sectors.
The off-grid energy and long-haul transport markets are facing an unprecedented challenge to transition to net zero, or they risk facing financial penalties in the billions. Currently, there are no production-ready alternatives to combustion engines for these applications, and fuel cells and batteries just aren't options due to size, cost, and weight limitations. Current engines are easy to refuel, easily affordable, and we have a tremendous amount of experience in operating and manufacturing them. However, they're really inefficient. But why?
Well, modern engines waste 1/3 of fuel to cooling systems that stop metallic components from melting. This means low efficiencies and high emissions. Carnot is developing engines with key components manufactured from ceramics, able to withstand engine temperatures, eliminating the cooling system and bringing game-changing efficiencies twice that of modern engines. So why hasn't anyone done this before?
They have, but previous attempts involved trying to integrate ceramics into metal engines without changing the design, creating a titanic battle between the two. We've designed the engines to work for the ceramic instead, separating the functions of the two materials and maximising the beneficial properties of each. Carnot engines will operate on hydrogen, ammonia and biofuels for zero-emission operation, enabling manufacturers to avoid crippling financial penalties.
Some of you may remember that we've already had 2 extremely successful crowdfunding rounds, raising over £1 million. Our targets for the last raise included expanding the team, securing pilot projects, and testing our phase 1 prototype. We've gone above and beyond, getting featured as a keynote company in some top global events that include the top 10 startups at London Tech Week, the Financial Times Hydrogen Summit, and the IMechE's top mechanical engineering startups to watch. We've also secured more cornerstone relationships, now with SBC in partnership with Mitsubishi and NYK Line. We've validated our engineering models and methodology as seen at the European Technology Conference, and we've initiated strategic relationships with 3 of the top 10 global ceramic suppliers. So how will we get this technology to market?
We want to remain a technology company, partnering with OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers, using their established supply chains and manufacturing experience to scale as rapidly as possible. This will allow us to keep the company streamlined so we can focus on continuous innovation, maintaining market leadership and future-proofing our technology. In parallel, we'll form co-development partnerships directly with large end users who will fund us to develop our technology for their applications.
My name's Brett Trifford and I'm a part of the Think and Act Differently Ideas Incubator, which is powered by Oz Minerals. Oz Minerals is a modern mining company with assets in Australia and Brazil. One of our low impact aspirations is to emit zero Scope 1 emissions on our sites. And most of our Scope 1 emissions come from the burning of diesel in haul trucks and gensets. And we're really pleased to be funding a study into the use of Carnot's ceramic engine technology as a potential disruptor for the use of traditional diesel gensets.
Hi, I'm Helen Twijten. I'm CEO of Carisbrooke Shipping. Carisbrooke owns and operates a fleet of 38 ocean-going cargo ships. We've designed and built close to 100 ships in the past years, and we're always working on optimizing design. Getting to net zero emissions is a big challenge for the maritime industry. Long distances with heavy loads on board make decarbonization complex. We believe Carnot's ceramic engine technology has the potential to be groundbreaking in improving efficiency and getting shipping emissions closer to zero.
We have a proven track record of delivering our targets to the crowd. And for this raise, we want to build our Phase 2 engine, secure manufacturing partnerships in key strategic areas, and provide match funding for upcoming government grant projects.
Our momentum is building, and we'd be delighted for you to join us on our journey to solve this $1 trillion problem.